Well, good afternoon viewers and welcome to another video. Stood on a nice piece of rock here at Chessington Worlds of Adventures in Surrey. Right in front you've got that one which today hasn't been working. The new one, the SBF Visa Drop and Smile Rad, exactly like Magma, I think they call it, over at Paulton's Park. So I'm going to jump, which ain't going to be very good. There we go. Yeah, unfortunately been no action on that one today. So I'm unfortunately not being able to get on it, number one, get the ride credit, and number two, get you any off-ride footage of that one. So seek other YouTube channels for that one. Anyway, yeah, I'll bring him in. This is Dan. All right, mate?
All right.
Yeah, good, thanks. You?
Very good, thank you.
Are you enjoying your time today?
It has been good, yeah. Apart from this, obviously, and sadly Dragon Falls.
Yes, more about that in a bit, but good. I'm glad you're having a good day anyway. So I'll be with good. I'll be with Dan tomorrow at Fort Park, as well as somewhere on Thursday. More about that very, very shortly. But anyway, that's Croc Drop, the unfortunately unop Croc Drop, manufactured by SBF Visa. I forgot to include that little stat. Yeah, just walking down to his next ride. Just thought I'd bring you a little bit the frontage of Croc Drop. Some nice greenery in there. Glorious day today, so apologies if the sun's getting in the way a little bit. I'm not going to moan though, it's been really nice weather today. Yeah, you saw it going up the lift hill there, Rattlesnake. Still not a fan of these at all, these more wild mouses. Dan, your input on the ride, what's your ride experience of this one?
It's painful, but always good fun.
It's a laugh, isn't it? If nothing else, yeah. I mean, I'm probably being really critical of the ride, I don't know, but...
great theming as well.
Great theming, yeah. So we'll probably mention that this is our favourite UK themed park, that's themed. With the theming and landscaping around the park, it's really, really good, but yeah. Still not a fan of the ride itself though, Rattlesnake.
Oh, mate, no problem, cheers.
Yeah. Yeah, best vantage point I'm going to get on this one. Unfortunately, the queue line's back to where I actually wanted to get the video from on this one, Scorpion Express. Nice little power coaster. Dan, what are your views on Scorpion?
Very nice, yeah. Nice just to go around and again watch the excellent theming. We had 3 laps on our one, so it was just enough.
Yeah. We didn't get squirted at either, did we?
No, not on this occasion.
No. Don't know if they've took that aspect of the ride off, but I've said it before, I think I do prefer this one to Flying Fish at Fort. Just for the theming, I think. Get it coming back into the station and film the next ride for you, but yeah, that's Scorpion Express.
Well, long time no see, adventurers, and welcome back.
Yeah, unfortunately this one hasn't been working today. The Sea Storm ride, Matt rides, this one. Unfortunately, no action on it. Got the fencing around it as well, which don't look very good, but not to worry. Yeah, Dragon's Fury going on to the second lift hill. Sorry, that's not going to be looked that good probably. Unfortunately, I'm just down this little area, which I've come across this today. I'm being very careful. I'm going to get squirted here, but I know, no doubt. The Sir Walter Squirt-a-lot, which does that. Very nice little feature of the park. And Dan, go on your review of Sir Walter then.
Very nice on
very refreshing.
a day like this, yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Happy days, really nice. Like I said before that, you've just got a few clips of Dragon's Fury. I'll get that coming off the lift hill and into the first drop shortly. And a couple other little bits of Zamperla Truckers Ride. You've also, just behind there, you've got the little Zamperla ride as well. So if you've got the young guns, do have a look at these little areas. Yeah, the new pirate ship in for this season, 2021 Blue Barnacle. I'll get another vantage point of it the other side, a bit of the theming as well. Right, thanks to Dan's Flat Ride Gen Limited on this one, but yeah, Blue Barnacle, so Chessington, 42 per cycle, operating since the 16th of April 2021, and it's right, metal bow emulsion. So we go for that. Does that sound about right, Dan?
I don't know what it is myself, so.
Well, no. I mean, I've heard of them. They don't usually cater for the larger pirate ships at this end of the market. It's normally the smaller ones that you see at the smaller parks. But yeah, I mean, I thought it was an us when I got on it, but no, the one that used to be a Black Bucaneer, that was an us. Right, I'll get another vantage point of this, the other side, get a bit of theming, and we'll look at where to close things off and give you a bit of park information as well. But yeah, that's the new pirate ship, Blue Barnacle. Yeah, different aspects of Dragon's Fury. I had a very, very forceful ride today on that one. Dan, what do you reckon to your ride on Dragon's Fury?
Yeah, as you say, quite forceful, but
probably the most forceful ride I've had on that, actually. Yeah. Mr. Blobber. Right, closing it off down at Vampire, of course. The very old 1990 Vampire ride. I thought it was a bit jolty on there today. I still think it's a good ride, Dan.
Yeah, it was a bit. Actually, the second go was much better than the first one.
Faster, weren't it?
Yeah. Very, very nice.
Yeah,
very nice ride.
So anyway, we've also got the Gruffalo stroke Vampire gift shop there, and then the Gruffalo ride. Dan, what do you reckon to Gruff?
It's not a nice sedate ride, nice one after lunch.
Yeah. And what's your views on the pirate ships? I've got to ask you.
Yes, similar to Rattlesnake in the sense that it's a bit painful, but but good fun. And we didn't even go right at the back.
Right, what I'm going to do is actually finish this with another clip of Vampire, so at least you can watch Vampire from a different angle. Right, the concluding scene, another view of Vampire. Dan, very, very quickly, your views on today.
Very, very good.
Good, glad you enjoyed it. I've had a really great day as well, so it's always good fun catching up with Dan. And we'll do it all again tomorrow at Thorpe Park. Just a quick bit of park information, just while I just show you this little area, 'cause it's really, really nice. If you're coming with the Sunsaver tickets, ensure that you go to the box office, the ticket office first, because we had problems getting in with the tickets today. So just have a look at that as you're coming into the park. Also, if you're coming down for Dragon Falls, it looks like it's shut, that one, for the season. I'm not sure, it didn't look like there was much action on there today. So yeah, just check on the website that things are open. It would have been lovely, wouldn't it? So in the Indian summer that we're having at the minute. So anyway, from Rob Miller, it's Trough for now, and from Dan, ta-da, and I'll see you soon, which will be tomorrow actually, very, very soon at Thorpe Park. Thanks for watching, take good care.